Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the aBlocks search block in WordPress. The search block helps users quickly find content on your website. It improves navigation, enhances user experience, and makes your site easier to explore, especially for content-rich or blog-heavy websites. First, navigate to the section of your website where you want to display a search bar. Then, search for search block in the block inserter and simply insert the aBlocks search block into your page. Let's walk through how to set it up and customize it to match your site perfectly. Now that the aBlocks search block is added to your page, let's make it match your design and user experience perfectly. Start by going to the General Settings panel. Under Variants, switch from Classic to Minimal for a cleaner, modern look. Then, adjust the button alignment based on your layout, left, right, or center. Set the search source to define where the queries will pull results from, like posts, pages, or custom post types. Next, update the placeholder text under the search field settings to reflect your site's purpose, such as search products, find a course, or look up articles. From the Style section, customize the placeholder text with typography settings that match your brand style. Now, focus on the search button. Choose a button type, icon text, or both. Fine-tune the appearance, including color, border radius, and hover effects to enhance interactivity. Move to the search result container settings. Here, you can fix the position where the results appear, define the spacing between elements, and add padding for visual clarity. If needed, set a border to better separate the results from the background. Customize how the search result items appear. Adjust typography, spacing, image previews, and hover styling, all to ensure the results are clean, accessible, and engaging for users. Once everything looks the way you want, hit the Save button to apply all your changes. Now preview the page, and there it is, a beautifully integrated, fully functional search bar added seamlessly to your product or content page. That wraps up this tutorial on customizing the search block with aBlocks. You've just enhanced your site's usability by giving visitors a smooth, intuitive way to find exactly what they're looking for. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.